we're going to go over the functions of the SellEton Scales pallet wrapping machine. Here you have your control panel, your on and off, your start button if you want to use it, and your emergency stop. So here on the screen, we have a couple different options. We're going to start with the start button to go ahead and start the machine, pause, reset, and stop. So you always want to make sure it's in stop mode. Allows you to do like manual mode and other things like that. So if we wanted to go into manual mode, you press this bottom right orange button right here. And now you can do, say, the turntable. Or the carriage up and the carriage down. Okay. Say your pallet is in a bad position right now, or it's not in the original position. If you wanted to go ahead and reset it, there's little command prompts that tells you, what to do next or what to do. You're going to press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds. And it will reset everything. It will reset your turntable as well as you'll reset your carriage. So now it's in the starting position. So next time I want to unload or move the pallet, it's facing the original position. So my forklift will have access. Here you can adjust how many times it wraps the top and how many times it wraps the bottom. If you need it tighter on the top or the bottom, those are options that you can change. As well as wrapping force. If you want the wrap to be tighter, please make sure that you have a thick enough gauge stretch wrap to do this. Sometimes it does break, so you want to be careful adjusting that. And then your turntable speed, the film up, the film down, as far as the carriage, how fast the carriage moves up and down. You want to make sure that you're going an appropriate speed in order to cover the whole pallet. If you needed to, say, wrap it twice the whole thing over, you're going to press this X in the middle. And this is how many times it will go up and down. So you can adjust that. Right now I have currently at 1. Okay, and then over top means how high you want the wrap, if you want it short or if you want it above and over so it overlaps, or how close to if you want it at the edge. This is where you're going to change it. So you're going to change it. Right now I have 4.1, which brings it right about to the edge. If you want to go more, you can press that and change it, say 5, and it'll go a little bit above it. If you had presets, so say you're wrapping different material or different boxes, weighted boxes that need to be wrapped tighter or looser, you can have recipes and you can save different recipes in here to create a new one, or to change the name, you just select it and you type in the name. So you can type in test. And then if you want to select it, you just press 3. Okay, and then you go back to home. Okay, to change any of these, you just press on the number and it'll allow you to change it. So as of right now, with the stretch wrap that we have, this is a really good setting. 32 on the force, 75 on the turntable, and then 45 up and down. This way you get full coverage over the pallet. Okay, to start this, you just go ahead and press start. Say if the wrap isn't tied up to it, if you press start, it will start, but it'll automatically realize that the wrap isn't connected. See here, there's an alarm, so you can go ahead and press that and see what the alarm is. Lack/break of film alarm. So that means it's not attached. So right now, my turntable is in a bad position. What I can do is I can press the stop button first, and then press and hold the reset, and it'll reset it to its original position. So now what I can do is I can come over here and tie the wrap to the pallet. And then we can go ahead and start. So if I needed to stop this for some reason, I can press pause and that will stop it in its position, or I can do stop completely and then I can do a reset. Thank you for watching.